Welcome, beginner power to weight athletes. 15-minute workout today. This is the fourth session of the series. We're going 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Really concentrate on raising those knees higher and having all your movements be much more deliberate than they might have been before. So if you're going to curl really hard. If you're going to squeeze that chest and really concentrate on doing that. So 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're going in 5 seconds. 4, 3, we're going to high knees. In 2, and 1, and bring those knees up. And march in place. Remember, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Even though it's only 10 extra seconds, it makes a pretty big difference. So just march in place. Very deliberate march. Keep it up, keep it up. Bring those knees up as high as you can. Keep it up. We got 10 seconds left. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and back to regular march for 20 seconds. Don't walk, don't do this. Give me a little bit more today, a little bit more. Like I said, we're being deliberate. From here, in 10 seconds, we're going to the pick up from the ground, put on a shelf on the opposite side. Ready? 2, 1, very deliberate. All the way down and all the way up. All the way down and up. Then down. Grab something, there you go, and put it up. That's the point of today's workout. Everything's going to be accentuated throughout the 15 minutes. And we're 20 seconds in, so we can switch sides. Pick up from this side and put on the other side. Pick up from this side and put on the other side. Pick it up and put it. Pick it up and put it up. Nice job. And put it up. 3 seconds. 2. Let's get one more. And up. And we march. Knees up. A little more deliberate march than usual. Now we're going to go foot to hand with the opposite arm being up in the air. So I don't want this arm here. I want this opposite arm being here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Arm up. And arm up. And arm up. And arm up. My ceiling's low in this basement here. I could actually hang on to it. And nice job. From the side we're looking like this. Trying to keep the best posture that you can. And keep it up. Get those legs up high. And get those arms up high. 10 seconds. We're cruising right through this, guys. Hopefully you've done the other workouts. Keep it up. 2, 1, and march. From here we're going to go to the lunge with a front curl. Remember, pretend you're lifting a weight. If you have a weight, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 pound weight, use it if you like. You don't have to use it throughout. Start with it and drop them on the ground. So we're going to front lunge and curl. Ready? 2, 1, and curl and up. Curl and up. Really concentrate. Squeeze those biceps. So from the side we're doing this. Curl and up. Squeeze. Big biceps. Go down as far as you want to. Never any pressure. And back to the front. And up. And up. You got 5 seconds left. 2. Let's get one more in. Today is the extra effort day. And we march. Nice job, everyone. So now I'm going to the knee to elbow. That's going to be elbows to knees. Remember, in 10 seconds, like I said, good march right now and accentuate every movement. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go all the way. All the way. Twist, twist. lot of work today, guys. If you've been keeping up before, this should be just challenging enough. Remember, repeat these workouts as many times a week as you want. It's only 15 minutes. Let's get in shape together. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. 20 seconds of marching. And we're going to squat and shoulder press. Once again, you're pressing. Pretend there is a weight. You're lifting weights. Make this march deliberate now, and we're going to go 3, 2, 1. Squat and press. Squat, squat as deep as you want to. And press. There you go. Make a fist and press up. You're holding onto those dumbbells. Press up. Halfway done. We're 20 seconds in. Move to the side and press up. And press up. Good postures. There we go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we'll march. Nice job. All right, we've completed 6 of, I believe, of the exercises. Now we're going to go to the one, bend down, twist to the other side, and come back up. Just watch me, you've done it before if you've done these. Keep this march deliberate. We're going 3, 2, 1, down, side, side, up, down, opposite side, side, up. If you mess this up and go in the other direction, it doesn't really matter. Twist, twist, up, down, twist, twist, up, twist, twist, up. Halfway done, guys, halfway done. Hard to talk in a bendy position for me. Go down as far as you can, twist, up. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and march it out. All right, this one's gonna be high knee and chest press. So it's your bench press exercise, your machine press, whatever you concentrate on your chest. Really squeeze that chest when you push out. This is the meat and potatoes right here. Ready? High knees, so we're gonna keep knees higher and press, 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 press. There you go, press. Keep it up, press, press. Pull back and press. Squeeze that chest. Nice job. Make that connection. Pretend you're lifting a weight. We got 15 seconds left. Nice. Thank you for joining me in the basement once again. 5 seconds, guys. Keep pressing. 3, 2, 1, and march it out. Nice job. All right. Now we're going to do a back lunge, and then we're going to twist at our hips. All right, back and twist, back lunge and twist. And 5 seconds. This is something we've done back lunges before. We've never twisted before. 2, 1, back, hold, and twist, and up. Back, twist, and up. Back, twist, and up. 1, 2, and how far you go is completely up to you. This works everything, works your legs, works your quads, your hamstrings, works your obliques, which is right here. And up. Time is running out. 2, 1, last one. All right, and march it out. We're going to go to high knee and fly. Once again, this is where the pressure's got to be at. Squeeze that chest together. March, keep right now, keep marching it out, but we're going to squeeze that chest and we're going to high knees. 2, 1, arms up and squeeze. Squeeze. There you go. Squeeze. Good postures. Look straight ahead of you and pretend you're sitting in a machine that does flies, and stay in control and just keep squeezing. There you go. Keep squeezing, guys. Keep those arms up. Don't let them drop down here. This is not a fly. This is a fly. Keep it up. Keep it up. Nice job. All right. 3 seconds. 2, 1. There we go. Nice job, everybody. And from here, we're going to the pigeon bend. You guys remember what that was? You're going to balance on one leg and bend forward. Let's get 3 or 4 on one side and switch sides about halfway through. So balance as best as you can. Bend forward and back up. Try not to have this leg hit the ground. If you have to, go ahead and do that and rebalance. If not, you can just fall over with me as I am about to do that. And up. This really works the hamstrings, guys. And we're halfway through. Switch sides and up. Nice and calm here. The opposite of what we're doing. Nice and calm. 10 seconds left. Don't rush it. Balance. Work all those balance muscles. And 2 and 1, and we march it out. Nice. Now we're going to go to a forward lunge. Then we're going to lean forward and squeeze the triceps. Just watch me. Follow along. We're going in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Forward lunge and tricep. And back. Right? Lunge, back, and up. Squeeze those arms. I want those triceps to hurt. But then you just try to extend the rubber band that's in front of you. Put your arms tight and extend. Nice job. Lean and extend and up. Lean and extend and up. And always good posture. Don't forget to breathe. We have 5 seconds left. Let's get at least 1 more. And we're done. All right, that was the bell. Nice job. Now we're going to go side, 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 up. Side, 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 up. That's going to be the next one, all right? We'll do it in 10 seconds. Remember, deliberate movement. Have a little bit of fun with it. Put some music on. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side, 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 up. Side, 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 up. Side, 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 and up. 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 3, up. Up. If you missed the other workouts, there's a link right above that should be popping up right now. Click on there and you can see the playlist of the other workouts in this group. Keep it up. 2, 1, and we're done. And back to marching in the center. All right, we're almost done. 2 exercises left. That means 2 minutes. And we're going in 10 seconds. We're going to squat and reach. Squat and reach up to the ceiling. Squat as deep as you want to. 3, 2, 1, and follow me. And reach. And shoulder press. Just like we did before. Squeeze those shoulders. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Nice job. There you go. Up. We're halfway done. And up. And up. Hopefully I'm in frame. If not, I'm going to have to refilm this. Or I'll just leave it with my head cut off. You guys can use your imaginations. 2, 1, and there we go. And we're done. Last exercise, guys. We're going to go high knees, curl, and press. That's going to be it, all right? That's going to conclude our session after this. So we have 40 seconds of work left. We're going 3, 2, 1, and continue. High knees, curl, and press. Whoop, high knees, curl, and press. Sorry about that. Press. I'll step forward a little bit and press. Give me a little blooper reel and press. and press. And press. Halfway done. And press up. So squeeze the arms together and then squeeze the shoulders. Squeeze the bicep, squeeze the shoulder and down. Very deliberate. 3, 2, 1. Alright, well that concludes our session, guys. I hope you joined me for the previous 3 sessions. We'll see you next week.